My name is Mirzayev. I'm from Uzbekistan. My company is Container. It's one of the biggest transport and logistics company in Uzbekistan. Actually, we visit here for making some negotiations with transport and logistics companies, and we have participated in these panel sessions, and we make some negotiations with Pacific Eurasia TCTD Taşımacılık. And also tomorrow we are planning to meet with MFA Logistics company. Actually, my deputy chairman participated in this exhibition 2 years ago in 2023, and this year we are invited as a VIP guest, and we came here. Minister of Transport, Deputy Minister of Transport today. It was a great to participate here. Thank you.